Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play New Super Mario Bros. DS on Android. First, you'll need to download a reliable Nintendo DS emulator from your device's App Store. There are several good options available, so choose one with positive reviews. Make sure your Android phone or tablet has sufficient processing power and memory for smooth gameplay. This initial step is crucial for setting up your mobile gaming experience. Next, you'll need to acquire the New Super Mario Bros. DS game file, often called a ROM. It's important to legally own the physical game cartridge before downloading a ROM for personal use. Once you have the ROM, transfer it to a designated folder on your Android device. This ensures your emulator can easily locate and load the game for you to enjoy. With your emulator installed and the game ROM ready, open the emulator application. Navigate to the option to load a new game and select your New Super Mario Bros. DS ROM. Take some time to configure the on-screen controls to your liking. You can also explore various settings to optimize graphics and audio, ensuring the best possible gaming experience on your Android device. Now you're all set to dive into the Mushroom Kingdom. Start playing New Super Mario Bros. DS directly on your Android device. Remember to save your game progress frequently within the emulator's menu to avoid losing any hard-earned stars or coins. For an even better experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller, which can make platforming much more precise and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.